Good morning everyone. Today. Hip. Oh no, I got hiccups. Because I was laughing on the movies and YouTube videos yesterday, so I am gonna tell my dad about this. Daddy, come here.
What is it, Daisy?
I think I am sick, Daddy. I got hiccups. Washington. Hey.
Oh my God! Don't worry, Daisy. I will tell your mom to take a pill.
What's going on, Boris?
We can't believe daughter is sick because she's have hiccups. Do you have water and pills?
Okay, here's the water and pill.
Thanks. Daisy, take that pill and water, and swallow the pill to feel better.
Thanks, Daddy. There. I swallow pill.
Okay, now stay asleep and feel better tomorrow.
Thanks, Daddy.